Great to see you all. Morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Cornfused from Yokai Watch 3. As you have noticed, Yokai Cornfused causes others to feel full of self-doubt. Even though when there's something new coming along, they can't really express their excitement. Usually they say stuff like, "It's cool, I guess." One more thing. Being possessed by this guy, well, can leave people dazed and confused. After the Yokai Watch Model U was released, it was, well, the owner of the Yokai Watch received his medal after it was released. First time seeing that guy in action. And to be honest, well, it sure is a pleasure to see this guy in action. Hopefully I'll get to see him as well. And finished. Alexa, what is corn?
According to Wikipedia, maize, also known as corn, is a cereal grain first domesticated by indigenous peoples in southern Mexico about 10,000 years ago. The leafy stalk of the plant produces pollen inflorescences and separate ovuliferous inflorescences called ears that when fertilized yield kernels or seeds, which are fruits.
There we go. That's how you draw Cornfused. That's all for now. Please like your vlog and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what character I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.